I are on our way to IKEA in Gothenburg. We are going to purchase some stuff for the apartment. We're gonna get a new desk for the home office and also a new chair in there. And what else?
Yeah, I guess we're gonna get some shelves, especially for your home office that we'll assemble. I think just getting some inspiration for the apartment itself.
Yeah, exactly. Ja. Ja. Visst. Vad ska jag göra? Perfect. We found our new nightstand tables. We're gonna buy this one with the two drawers like this. I like this. So here's our cart at the moment. I found this beautiful plant and also some baskets for the home office. I just found this bin, which I really love the color of it. It's like a cool beige and it's perfect to put wax in, I think. So I think I'm gonna get this one. I can't do this. Vad bra! Oj, det var så tungt! Till slut hittade jag dig. Perfect! Yay! So I think it was a very successful IKEA trip and now we're going back home again. We have the car packed with things. We got a big, huge plant and a tiny one as well. And then we got some other stuff. I guess this works. We bought this huge plant, which I love, but it wasn't the easiest to get in the car. It's really, really big. Quick little update about how it's going here at home. Victor has been so insanely efficient and he just built everything within like an hour. So now my home office is looking really, really good. I'm so happy with it. So this is what it looks like now. And here is all of our, that's the old desk and chair, yes. And here's just all the IKEA stuff. I picked these flowers this morning. I think they look so cute. I really love these flowers. I don't know what they're called though, but I think they're nice. This is all the builder stuff, whatever it's called, tools. You can tell that I obviously haven't built a single thing. So I've got the big desk. You can adjust the height of. And that is really, really handy for me because sometimes I'd like to stand working and sometimes sit down. And I also have this beautiful chair, which I really love. I think it's such a nice color and it's very comfortable as well. And I also added this plant, which is from IKEA, that we bought yesterday. We also got the pot at IKEA. Then I have this macrame plant hanger, which I have actually made myself. So I really love this design. I think it looks very nice with the tassels down at the bottom as well. So I really like this plant hanger. Yeah, so that is the office. I'm planning on hanging this plant hanger somewhere else. I don't think it's gonna be here at the wall. My plan is to put up some paintings around here and make kind of like a collage thing. And then the plant will probably hang above the window. That is probably my plan, at least. Then the plan is also to hang 2 shelves here, but they only had one left. I need to stop pointing at everything. They only had 1 shelf left, so that is going to hang here, and we're also adding, so we're gonna have 2 there, but they only had 1, so I think we're gonna wait with that.